Morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kayla. I'm a graduate student in a counseling psychology program, and I also have a full-time job. It is Saturday the 14th. It is about almost 11 o'clock in the morning. I need to go make myself some coffee, but on the agenda for today we have some organizing to do in my office. I pretty much cleaned my room yesterday, so I don't really have to do that. I just want to organize my makeup, put it in like my new drawers and things. And yeah, I have a few life updates for you guys, so that'll be pretty fun. The first life update is that my classes have all been pushed online. I know you guys are probably going through the same thing because of COVID-19, but I was just on spring break this past week, and my spring break has now been extended, and all of the face-to-face classes will go fully online on the 23rd. We don't really know when we're going to go back to face-to-face format. But my semester pretty much ends at the end of April because we don't have finals as graduate students. So it'll be interesting to kind of see how this plays out, because two of my classes we have presentations in. So I know my school said they're trying to maybe purchase Zoom or something so that we can still do our presentations and still kind of meet with the class at the designated time. But right now we kind of don't know what's going on. So that is the first life update. I know you guys are probably going through the same thing. My parents are actually out trying to shop right now, so it's probably going to be a madhouse out there. So make sure you guys are being safe. If you're sick, stay home, wash your hands, use hand sanitizer if you cannot wash your hands. Just be safe. Keep yourself healthy. Make sure you're taking your vitamins and you're keeping your immune system nice and healthy. I am immunocompromised, so I probably should be taking this a lot more seriously than I am. Not that I'm not taking it serious, but I'm not like freaking out. Like, I'm not stockpiling toilet tissue and alcohol swabs and things like that. But I'm making sure that I take my vitamins and I wash my hands and I keep hand sanitizer on me at all times. Which is things you should have been doing before this whole pandemic happened, but whatever. But my second life update is I have secured a practicum site for this upcoming fall semester. I am super excited. I'm not going to give you guys like the exact name of the place that I'm going to be doing my practicum and internship at, because I am going to do it for both practicum and internship, but just know that I will be doing grief counseling, so I am super excited about that. I had an interview for that like 2 or 3 weeks ago. I've been meaning to vlog since then. Like, I've been vlogging and I've just gotten like random clips here and there, and it's just like never finished vlogging. It just never worked. So I will kind of do a entire video on how to prepare for like interviews, whether it's a job interview or an interview for grad school, because I know a few of you guys have been DMing me about tips and things for that, or practicum or internship interviews. I will do a whole designated video for that. I was going to film a few sit-down videos today, but it's looking a little gloomy outside and I'm not really sure how the lighting is going to be. So we'll see kind of how things progress throughout the day. The sun may decide to come out later. But yes, that is my second really big life update, is the fact that I secured a practicum and internship site, and I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited to start practicum. I registered for fall classes on the 23rd. For summer and fall classes, so we're literally coming up on my last few semesters. I graduate in the spring of 2021 unless I decide to pick up the addiction studies concentration, but as of right now I don't think I'm going to do that. So I'm set to graduate spring of 2021. I'm super excited. I'm also starting to study for the GRE because I have to start applying to doctorate programs in like the September-October time frame. So yeah, I know this intro is super long, but I feel like I had a lot of things to tell you guys. To start off with, I haven't talked to you guys in so long, and I'm so sorry for being absent. I have so many new subscribers, so thank you so much to those of you who have subscribed. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below before you leave. Anything else that's changed? Oh, my hair is red and I have lash extensions. Also got 3 new tattoos when I went to Vegas. I don't even know. I went to Vegas at the beginning of February, so it's been about a month. So I guess I'll kind of show you guys the tattoos that I got. So I have my niece's name right there. That is the first tattoo. And then these are, I feel like this is really hard to see, but these are the other tattoos that I got. So yes, there's that. So right now I'm actually about to start organizing my makeup because I feel like that's the one thing that I can do that does not require that much sunlight. Hopefully if the sun comes out a little bit later, I can film some videos. Otherwise I'll film for you guys tomorrow. But I do need to go get myself some coffee. And then also today's my dog's birthday. My pit bull, she is 14. It's her golden birthday, which is 98 in 98 in human years. So she is an old lady. But let me go downstairs. I also need to make my bed. So I'm going to actually make my bed first, go fix coffee, and then we are going to organize this mess of makeup that we have. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, I still have not made my coffee yet, but I got on a roll with this whole cleaning thing. So now that I'm looking at this drawer organizer that I got for my makeup, I can tell that it might not be big enough. I'm also going to be throwing a ton of makeup away that I know that is expired or that I don't use. So that should kind of help cut down a little bit on my makeup collection. But this is like the little drawer that I got. And then I also got these bins. I got these from Target that I'm just going to try to store my makeup in to try to make them a little bit more organized. Because right now, as you guys can see, things are kind of like thrown in here, out of place, and all of that. So I'm going to prop you guys up and we are going to start trying to organize this mess of makeup that I have. Pretty much got all of the makeup that's going to fit in these bins in there. I am definitely going to have to go back to Target to get another set of these. I do still have a ton more of the gray bins, which is why I bought so many, but I'll kind of show you guys. This first drawer is like my foundations, my concealers, primers. I need to replace this, but it's just in there. And then just random foundation that can go in there. And then this second drawer, primers, eyebrow stuff. I have all of my face powders, Fenty Beauty, Beauty Bakery, the only bronzer that I have, and just a random box of lashes. But I have lash extensions, so I won't be needing those. And then I definitely will have to be careful when opening this drawer, just because I kind of set all of these up. But these are like all of my highlighters, my blushes, and then like my highlighter and blush palettes. That is pretty much how that I have that organized for right now. I still have eyeshadow palettes, I think, which is not a lot, and then lip products. So remove this. this is kind of like all the stuff that I am throwing away. These are like a bunch of foundations that I just don't use, a bunch of primers. I actually may keep this one. You guys remember when we used to use this as a primer? A bunch of these that I like. This is like way too dark if you guys can't see that. Had this for a very long time. And just things that do not go with my skin tone. That were like free products that I was hoarding. And just powders and empty sprays that I don't use anymore. Let me actually keep this Smashbox primer too. Okay, I want to do like a quick unboxing for you guys because I ordered a few things. So the first thing is this Encyclopedia of Counseling. I do have to sit for a state exam to become a licensed therapist, and I know I have some time left before that, but I don't want to wait till the last minute to start studying. Of course, I'm not going to start studying from this rigorously, but I just thought I would go ahead and buy it. So this is what it looks like. Again, it's called the Encyclopedia of Counseling, and it just has like different questions. So this is counseling and helping relationships, group counseling and group work, career development, assessment and testing. What else is in here? Human growth and development. So all the classes that I'm going to have to take. So this actually wasn't supposed to come until Monday. So I'm super excited about this. And then this next package is from Bath and Body Works. So they had a few scents that were retiring. My coworker actually had this scent, Forever Red, and I love it. It smells so good. I'm just going to use some right now. Oh my gosh, I love the way this smells. And then I just got, oh, I didn't know I got the shower gel, but this is just sun ripened raspberry. The notes just says sun ripened raspberry, strawberry leaves, and sugar crystals. So that's this. And then Bath and Body Works was also having 6 for $26 on their hand soaps. So I just got like this entire thing of hand soap. This is actually 5, but this was like a summer set or something. So yeah, these are all the packages that I have. I also have a bag coming in. I ended up buying myself a Longchamp. I've been wanting one for so long. Ever since I started college, I've wanted one, and I finally decided to buckle down and get one. So whenever that comes in, I will definitely show you guys. But let me go ahead and put all of this stuff up, and then I will check in with you guys a little bit. For the past like couple of hours, I've been watching the trials of Gabriel Fernandez, and let me just say, like, this definitely I don't know, I'm very sad just because I feel like there were so many people who failed him. There were so many people who tried to help him and were just like stopped or ignored or told to ignore it. And it's really sad that this little 8-year-old boy had to suffer this much trauma and abuse. And it's really sad. If you haven't watched it, I highly recommend it. It is very triggering. It's very depressing. So definitely watch it with caution. But it is really good. It's just very sad to think that there are probably so many other children who are going through this and who have died because of things like this. And it's really sad. It kind of makes me wish like I could have done something, and I know that's kind of like an impossible thing to think, and I definitely don't recommend you think that way. But it's just really sad because if you just look at the pictures of him, he's just like this innocent, you know, little 8-year-old boy who really just wants to love the mother that is beating the crap out of him. And it's just really sad. So that's just what I've been doing for the past couple of hours. I'm on episode 4 right now. I'm about halfway through episode 4, and I think there's 6 episodes, so I'm definitely almost done with the little docu-series on Netflix. So I'm actually going to just finish watching this for a little bit. I'm trying to see, we're supposed to have an assignment due on Monday, but everyone's trying to see if it's still going to be due on Monday with the extended spring break and everything, if the assignment has been pushed back. So that's kind of what we're trying to figure out. If the assignment is still due, I'm going to have to scramble to get this assignment done before 11:59 on Monday. But yes, that's all that I am doing right now. I'm going to finish watching the trials of Gabriel Fernandez, and then whenever something else happens or I decide to get up and do something else, I will gladly let you guys know. Happy birthday to you. Hello. It is currently 7:45 and I've just kind of been chilling, watching some Netflix. So I think tomorrow I'm going to meet with someone from my class so that we can work together and do our videotape therapy session for my counseling theories class. She emailed the professor. I emailed the professor. It was originally due Monday, and now with the extended spring break, all of that, we don't know if it's still due. However, we have not gotten a response from her yet, so we're just going to meet up tomorrow and kind of do it just in case. The other issue is our professor for this class is also the director of our program, so I'm sure she's getting a ton of emails coming in with this whole COVID-19 thing. So I'm sure our emails have gotten like lost in the mass of other emails that she's gotten, but we're just going to meet up tomorrow just in case the project is still due on Monday at 11:59. So that way we'll do the project. The videotape session is just 30 minutes, so about an hour for her, an hour for me. And then we'll just have to work on our transcripts the rest of tomorrow and then Monday and get it turned in to be done with it. And then I have absolutely nothing else due next week. However, I do want to get a head start on all of the assignments that I have due the week of the 23rd. So that is going to be my plan. Right now I'm just kind of chilling and my vlog camera is dying, so I just want to come on and update you guys and let you guys know what I had going on. I'm going to go charge my vlog camera and then I will pick it back up when I am doing something else that's interesting. Okay guys, I sat down to edit this video and I realized that I did not do an outro, so this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you are subscribed because more vlogs are coming. I am back to posting regularly. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave me any comments on any video suggestions you guys have. And I will see you guys in my next vlog.